Corvette Hop and welcome to the channel. If this is your first time visiting the channel, then please go ahead and subscribe. Many of you have asked to look at this 1969 Corvette close up. This is your opportunity. Let's go ahead and get started and, hey, keep those cars on the road.
And now a close-up view of the Corvette Hop C3 Corvette. This car is featured in a beautiful Monza Red color. It has factory side pipes and rally wheels. The interior of this beautiful Corvette was completely redone. The entire dash wiring harness was replaced. All dash lights have been replaced with LED lights. Every single gauge in this classic car works. The entire interior of this car was removed and a sound dampening material installed. This car is equipped with the original TH400 transmission. It also has fiberglass leaf springs and Bilstein Shocks. All bushings and bearings replaced. Of course, the C3 Corvette is known for those beautiful lines. A classic look radio with Bluetooth and Woodgrain steering wheel. Alternating red and black seat covers with matching door finish. Check out those chrome shark fins. The early year C3 Corvettes were really known for its chrome front and rear bumpers. Of course, all new bushings and bearings in the front also. And now, a dramatic moment. Lightweight, high-efficiency aluminum radiator installed. Entire engine wiring harness was replaced. Top half of engine was removed, aluminum head, and new cam installed. Car came with AC but replaced with vintage air. Hidden headlights come and close out of nowhere. It also has hidden windshield wiper blades. And now for a test run with that roaring 350 Chevy engine.
If you liked what you see, go ahead and subscribe and hey, keep those cars on the road.